Are you considering a new roof and wondering if metal roofs are worth the expense? At Lianro Metal Roofs, we specialize in stone-coated steel metal roofs that combine durability, beauty, and long-term savings. Stone-coated steel roofs are known for their exceptional durability. Unlike traditional roofing materials, they can withstand extreme weather conditions, from heavy snow to high winds and even hail and wildfires. These roofs are also fire-resistant and can last up to 50 years or more with minimal maintenance. But what about the cost? While the initial investment is higher compared to asphalt shingles, the long-term benefits are substantial. Consider this. With asphalt shingles, you'll likely need to replace your roof multiple times over 50 years. With a stone-coated steel roof from Lianro, you install it once and enjoy peace of mind for decades. Our expert installation team ensures that your roof is not only beautiful but also performs to the highest standards. Stone-coated steel roofs offer unmatched longevity, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. They reflect more sunlight than traditional roofs, helping to keep your home cooler in the summer and reducing your energy bills. Not only do you save on energy costs, but a stone-coated steel roof can also increase your home's resale value. So are metal roofs worth the expense? Absolutely. With Lianro Metal Roofs, you're not just buying a roof, you're investing in your home's future. Ready to learn more? Visit us at lianro.com. Let's protect your home with the beauty and strength of a stone-coated steel metal roof.